Zinc Liquid Tight Connector Straight type from ELECMAN, manufactured from premium zinc. Die casting with fine polished finish. This heavy-duty straight style electrical fittings offers solid mechanical strength for conduit systems equipped with high performance built-in rubber sealing gasket. It creates a tight seal between asecure water, liquid and tight flexible conduits, and electrical enclosures, junction boxes, or industrial equipment. It maintains straight cable routing and avoids extra bending stress applied to internal conductors. UL listed and certified for wet location electrical applications. It supplies a full-size range covering 3/8 up to 4. This durable connector is wide-lie, used in commercial facilities, industrial sites, and outdoor installations, where stable moisture-proof flexible conduit connections are essential to ensure long-term safe field operation.